Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view or see Neds promotions using the Neds app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in order to do this, what we need to do is open up your Neds app on your mobile device and you'll be brought to the home section here. Now from here, we need to navigate to where it says more bottom right hand corner of the page. And then you'll be brought to your account. And now once you're inside here, you will see under my account, bet slip settings, etc. We've got bonus bets and promotions. So go ahead and click onto promotions. And now this is where they keep all the promotions and featured markets. And you can scroll down and check out all the different promotions they have on. These do change weekly, daily, monthly, etc. And you can even filter down to promotions on racing or sports or special. So just go ahead if you want to view the promotions and feature markets on racing. I have racing checked. The same for sports, have sports checked, or if I want to do specials, which is a new feature, you'll be able to see their special promotions and featured markets.